guys, my name is Joe Bennett. I'm with Van Sickle Key in Bangor, Maine. Just wanted to take a couple minutes to show you some features that we have in the vehicle, specifically the Apple CarPlay that is available on the 2019 Soul. Alright guys, so here we are inside the 2019 Kia Soul. This one does have Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. I wanted to show you the Apple CarPlay. That's what I have, but I have an iPhone. It is available with Android Auto as well. If you go into Apple CarPlay, all of the functionality of your phone is available through this app. It's designed for safety purposes to read you your text messages, so you're not texting and driving. Siri will read you anything that you have, and then you can voice respond. If you go into phone, you have access to your phone book. Pandora can play your music, or you can just play music straight from your phone with the music icon. If we go into maps, then it's very easy. You can click destinations and you can set your destinations customized so you have a form of navigation in your vehicle. As you can see, the number one address that you could possibly have right there, 729 Hogan Road. Feel free to come by and take one for a test drive.